What is the best launch strategy for new product when working with a limited budget? We're always working with limited budget. Even $20,000 per month, it is a limited budget. Limited budget, it's really important to know what is the limit on the budget. And then based on that, you would be working your way backwards. So if you have $1,000 ad spend per month that you can afford, we would be working backwards on how much would that be on a daily basis. So if you're going to spend $1,000 per month, we would have a $33 per day spend. To be more precise, you would have a $30 per spend, because right now in Amazon, there's this budget setting on that Amazon can spend up to 25% if they consider that your ad is going to convert. So first off, I would understand if that is my monthly budget, what is my daily budget, and then based on the daily budget, be realistic. If this is a daily budget, what can I do with $30? Someone just asked me about a new product launch. What should be the strategy? Should they be running auto campaigns and manual campaigns as well? Realistically, for $30, how many campaigns can you build up? Probably you're not going to build up 30 campaigns for $1, but you're going to build up maybe 3 campaigns, each with a $10 limit. That is more realistic. So that is the way how I would be thinking of it when it comes down to a limited budget. Keep in mind that big brands also who are spending a lot of money, they also have a limited budget. And that is the way how we are structuring ad spend for them.